Mr. Joel Anuevo. We have the two best players, Joel and Dennis.
Kuya, daming highlights, oh. Highlights, oh. Gulat lahat eh.
Nice.
Jonas for 3. So good. Rebound Jason. To Mark.
Good day, Kuya Ine, good day.
Christian. All the way. 7-4. Mark for 3. Out of bounds. Give to Arnold. Mr. Shot. Give on Mike. Long pass to Jonas. To Jeffoy.
Nice.
Back to Jeffoy. Jeffoy to Jonas. Jeffoy to Jonas.
Whoa! Block! Kuha, kuha, kuha. Kala ko eh, baka may ayun, Jason na. Gulat lahat eh.
Pagdarag lang ka, pagdarag.
Christian to Eddie.
Nice.
Rebound. Edmond for 2. Eddie.
Oh!
9-6. 1 Dallas by 3. I need 19 seconds.
Sino?
Mike
Okay.
for 2-4.
Grabing control yun.
Ready na ka. Ready na bukas. Give me. Tapos Big Mac.
JP, pasok!
Hoy, huwag niyo sasaktan si JP ah. Huwag niyo tutulak ha. Wala, didikit yan. Please. Ano, huwag niyo siya nagawin. Rizzo, ba't ako?
June. Yeah. Rebound. Good.
Nice.
Assist, assist.
10 points, 10 points. Oh, still, still.
Steal by JP.
May one assist na, may steal pa.
Okay, miss. Follow up by Jason. Good. Rebound June. June miss.
Alis ka dyan, JP.
Although rebound miss. No pass.
Black.
For 2 points.
Di pwede pag
June for 2 points.
Di pwede dikitan. Pass break ba na?
Bigyan mo na, bigyan mo na. Yun.
JP for 2. Good.
Kung madali mo eh.
Follow up shot for 2 points.
Huli ka, Balbon.
Long pass. Steal by right. To Jose. For 3 points.
Ubos, ubos.
I'm a blue.
Hindi, dito ko sa... Pinalitan pa yan.
Christian. June for 2 points. 21-8. $1 by 13 points. 2 minutes, 35 seconds in the first half. Pressure by Mark Miller. Rebound. Good. All the way. No good. Rebound Mike. Kingston Torrey for 2 points. 23-18. 23-8. Mike. No! 23-10. Ready for 2 number rebound Eddie. Christian for 2 number. Rebound by Christian Alawag for 2. 23-12. 1 minute 14 seconds in the first quarter.
For 3.
Mike for 3 answer.
Hey!
26-12. $1 Christian to Mike. No good. Rebound rate.
Hindi ka niya.
Great work, team. Not good. Rebound by you. Give to Eddie for 2. Not good. Rebound Mike. Credit to Kingston for 4.
Boundary na. Boundary
28-12.
na.
10 seconds. Give Mike next the shot. Christian follow up for 2 points. 28-14. Counted and the referee 28-16. Red ball.
What's up, man? You not playing?
Yes, sir.
Why you ain't playing, man? Oh, you play last night? You did play last night. I was still last night.
Travel! Let's go, he travel. That's not right.
Hey, second quarter calendar.
Wrong score.
Christian for 2 points.
Akala second half na. Whoa! Whoa!
Rebound by Mike. Follow up for 2. 30-18.
Ubos! Sino walang kanin? Sino walang kanin?
2, rebound June.
Kaya pa lang naman maglaro kasi hindi ako nag-deficit mo.
Hindi ka rin. Hindi mo kayo tigil.
Deficit talaga yung pag-deficit.
At for 3, number, rebound June. And your time out.
Oh, damn. Nakatapan. May yung mabukas.
At for 3, rebound Rene. Number for 2, Esther. 32-18.
Take it, Edon.
Gives and Memo. Yes. Rebound Mike. Good for Jason. Makes the ball over Arnold. Edmond to Eddie for 2 points. No good. Rebound. Dixon to Jeffoy for 2 points. 34-18. Steve by Mike.
Listen.
2 points for Gibson. This Mike. 36-18. Jeffoy to Rene. Next, rebound Mike, follow up for 2 points. 38-18. So, Eddie lost the ball to Norman and fouled by 15 remaining.
Ano na assist? 2 points.
Edmond.
Wala ba?
Kasi si Good sa likod
Ano ba? Oo, yun.
Kukuha na rin, kukuha na.
Alama mo. Mamaya, di ako makakawin doon sa kanila.
Free throw miss.
Pero sabi lang, try mo tumakbo na.
Free throw miss. Rebound Gibson. Gibson for Rene for 2 minutes. Rebound Jeffoy. No good rebound. Eddie. For 2 points, no good rebound. Jonas. Jonas to Rene for 2. No good rebound. June.
Kapunin siya.
June to Edmond. Mr. Shot. Rebound Gibson.
Kaya,
Gibson. For 3 Lugo. Rebound Jeffoy. Jeffoy to Jonas. For 3 Lugo. Rebound Jeffoy. Substitution.
Napalabas sila dito. May beer ka na.
kasi siya yung driver.
Fine negligent, ganun,
oo,
negligent siya.
tapos, yung problema kasi doon, yung kotse mo kay Elmer. Liability lang.
Alright, open. Yes. Rebound Edmond. Eddie. For 2 points. Lugo. Rebound Jeffoy. Mike for 3. Lugo. Rebound. Big Mike.
OG kasi wala naman daw silang ginagawa.
No, yun.
Wala silang
Wala silang sign.
Beautiful people. 38-20. 3 minutes 49 seconds. In the first half. Mike to Ray for 2 points. Assist by Mike. 40-20. Pass through by
dami niya sa amin. Helmet.
24.
Sound.
Beautiful 3 points. 3 points by Yuri. Deficit by 3. Jose for 3, no good. Rebound by Jose. By Mike. Yes, Mike to Edwin for 2, miss. Rebound Mike to Edwin. Miss. Mike rebound. Marlon shot, foul. 4. Jose. 2 shots.
Kaya sabi ko sa lawyer namin.
First free throw is good. 40-24. Second free throw is good. 40-25.
Yeah, yeah!
40-26. 43-26. Steal by Duke. From pass to Eddie for 2 points. 43-26. 1 minute 40 seconds in the first half. Rebound, Eddie. For 2, Esther. 2 points. 43-30. Mike for 3, yes sir.
Yeah, yeah!
46-30. Eddie, miss. Rebound Mike.
Janis! Janis!
Turnover, lifting the ball, says referee.
Sayang!
Janis!
40 seconds left in the first half. Just the goods, for 2, no good. Rebound by Mike. Jose, miss. Rebound Mike. June. June. Miss. Rebound. Big Mike. Mr. Scott, rebound to me. And first half. 46-30. 1 Dallas.
Walang bantay eh.
Walang challenge! Oo. Nakadalong lang ako, tapos hindi na ako makakabok. Kasi naglaro ko ng Friday. Tapos naglaro ko. Gabi. Naku, Kailangan daw mag-diet.
All right, second half. All right, and blue ball. Right side. Blue ball, guys, this side.
Hindi na alam ang basketball kasi ang tagal ng pahinga eh.
Except for two, something. 37 foul. Bonus shot is good. 46-33. Open shot tayo, ha? Open shot. Teka na. Mike for three. Good. Rebound. Good. Yeah, boy, Mike. Second to Arnold. Mr. Scott, rebound good. Rebound. Don't pass to Rene. Rene to Jonas for 49-35. One Dallas by 14. 8 minutes left in the third quarter. Good for 2 points. 49-37. 4-point lead by 1 Dallas. Jefferson Mark, foul by 0. Foul on Kristen. Two shots for Mike. First by good. 50-37. Second try. Yeah. 51-47. One Dallas by 14. Kristen to Eddie. No good. Rebound Eddie. Drop the ball. Scored by Arnold Christian for 2 points. 51-39. Rene for the 2 points. 53-39. That's the 14-point lead. 6 minutes, 21 seconds in the third quarter. Arnold to shoot for three, miss, but there's a foul. Foul number 11. Christian.
Jonas, away from ball. Sabi ng ball, layo mo. Mas malapit ka pa nga dun eh.
First three is good.
Hindi ba ka doon, Sam? Hindi ba ka doon?
Second of three is good.
Tutulog niya, oh.
Third of three is good. 3 of 3 from the free throw. 53-42. 11 points by 1 touch. Yes, to Jonas, to Jason. Drive. Foul. Blue 25. Jason Hano. Good shot. Is that open start?
Basta mo yun, ah. Yung pito. Ulo na ako. Ulo na ako.
Oh, ingat.
Magaling mo na yung panisan ko.
No good. Rebound, Mike. Turnover. Move on. Christian Arnold for 2, no good. Rebound, Christian. Christian to do for 2 points. 53-49, down to 1 minute. 9-point lead by 1 Dallas. 3 minutes left in the third quarter. Return to Jules for 3. Rebound by Ray. Ray to Rene for 2. Yes, sir. 57-44. 2 minutes, 28 seconds in the third quarter. Christian to Mike. Good pass. Big Mike. 57-46. Mike, his 3 points. Christian for 2 points. 57-48. 9-point lead by 1 down. Second foul of Christian. 3 team fouls from elevated.
Six assists.
First free throw, good. 48. Second free throw is good. 59-48. 1 minute left in the third quarter. Christian Clare, 1 for 2. No good. Foul. 59-50. Dixon to Mike for 3, no good. Rebound by Jose. Backing violation. 10 seconds. At the end of third quarter, 59-50. Red ball. Red ball. Jimbo, long pass to Jonas for 3. No good. Rebound Mike. Steal by Gibson. Jimbo. Football. Yes, Gibson. Gives Christian for 2 points. 61-52. 9-point lead by Dallas. Mike for 3, yes sir. 54-52. 9 minutes, 3 seconds left. Good, jump shot, no good. Christian for 3. 64-54. To Mike for 3. 3 point by Mike, assist by Jonas. Long pass. Dude. Good. Ready. No good. Rebound Mike. To June Pepero. No good. Rebound Mike. To June Pepero. All good. First team foul. First personal foul. There's a foul. Foul number 25. Blue. 10 foul on second team foul on elevated. First free throw is good. 68-54, 7 minutes, 10 seconds. Second free free throw is good. 59-54. First to Jim over 71-54. Turnover by Mike. Good ball. 6 minutes, 30 seconds. Jonas to Jim for 2, no good. Rebound Jim. Christian for 2, yes sir. 71-56. Big boy back. Renee Jonas for 3. Rebound Eddie. June. Rebound Dixon. Jeffoy. No good. Rebound Come back to June to Christian. Back to June for 2. 71-58. Dixon to Mike. It's a foul. First foul on him. 15 foul for elevated push up. First free throw for Mike. Good. 72-58. 4 minutes, 36 seconds. Free throw is good. 73-58. 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Christian for 2. 73-60. Dallas by 13. Rebound. Christian for 2, no good. Rebound Eddie, follow up, no good. Rebound Mike, Jeffoy for 3, no good. Rebound Jeffoy. Renee for 2, no good. Rebound Mike. Turnover. Steve, Jonah. Turnover by Renee. Turnover by Jonah. Steve, Clinton. 75-60. 2 points by Mike. Assist by Jeffoy. Missed by Eddie. Rebound Jonas. Jeffoy to Mike for 2 points. 2 minutes 33. Christian to Edmond for 2 points. 77-62. Mike for 3. No good. Rebound Edmond. Christian Steele, no good. Rebound Vincent. Jepoy. Give by Rene, no good. To rebound, to Jason, to Jepoy, to Rene, no good. To rebound, Christian. 1 minute, 45 seconds. There's scramble recovered by Christian Edmond Noble. Rebound Mike. 1 minute 30. Dixon for 2. Minute 21. Edmond Nesby. Rebound Jonas. Dixon 2 points.